Hello chocolatiers, welcome to RS Chocolate Hub. Now you are watching finished chocolate cracker boxes. I am going to show you all the packing material with clear information with this video. Watch this video up to end. All your doubts will clear. And if you are new to these cracker chocolates, you need to watch previous videos also. This is bar wrapping sticker sheet having 8 stickers in a sheet. This sticker sheet suitable for 20 to 40 grams chocolate bars. This sticker sheet is for big bar chocolates suitable for 40 to 70 grams chocolate bars. This is small chocolate bar wrapping sticker suitable to 20 to 40 grams chocolate bars. This is for rocket chocolates. Also you can wrap to small anar. Suitable anar and rocket molds also available with me. This is one kind of Lakshmi bomb. Chocolate making video is available in my YouTube channel. You can watch this. This is the cavity size chocolate wrapping sticker. It covers front and back. This is also same 30 mm square chocolate sticker, covers front and back. 11 stickers in each row, total 33 stickers in a sheet. This is also for 30 mm square chocolate. It covers only front side of the chocolate. This sheet having 88 stickers. This is also same, but color is blue. It covers only front side of the chocolate. Covers front and back to cavity size chocolate. The color is pink. This is also cover cavity size chocolate, front and back. The color is red. 33 stickers in a sheet. This is also same. Color is blue. This is red color, covering only front side. This is 30 mm cavity size chocolate. These stickers for casino themed chocolates. Front side of the chocolate. This is for cards. This is for casino wheel, 2-inch dia. You can peel and stick. This is handmade sticker. You can use to any baking products, on cake boxes, bottles or jars. This is casino theme chocolate stickers, 1.5-inch dia. These are casino chips. Total 30 stickers in a sheet. These also casino chips. 0.5-inch dia. You can peel and stick. This is handmade with love stickers. Baked with love stickers. All mixed in this sheet. This is also same, but size is little bit small. Home baked with love stickers. This is also handmade stickers. 1.5-inch dia. Thank you sticker. 30 stickers in a sheet. 1.5-inch dia. Also available in 2 inches. This is Lakshmi Bomb sticker. You can watch sample chocolates end of the video. This is Circle 1.5 dia Happy Diwali stickers. This is Lakshmi and Lakshmi Ganapati coin stickers. 1.5 dia Happy Diwali stickers. Full colors, gold, shiny shimmer effect. It gives more beauty to the chocolates. Small cherry bomb stickers available in different colors. All are gold shimmer effect. This big cherry sticker size is 2-inch dia. Suitable molds also available in small and big size cherries. These are the samples. Few I made using these stickers. It's colorful Happy Diwali stickers. 33 stickers in a sheet. It covers front and back. All chocolate boxes and molds. Video uploading part 2 video. These boxes available in 5 different colors. All are really pretty and beautiful. Atom bomb sticker gives real atom bomb look. These are shimmer shiny effect Happy Diwali stickers. Covers front and back. 2 cavity size chocolate. Scent look. Decent colors. Best for corporate gifting. Rocket sticker. Same design is available for Anar also. This also shimmer effect. The sheet is same as image. This pattern is same for rocket and Anar. but the size is different. These colors and pattern is giving real cracker look to the chocolate, giving effective appearance to the chocolate box. Small cherry bomb stickers. Suitable molds also available with me. This is really beautiful chocolate wrapper, suitable for 30 mm cavity size chocolate. It covers front and back. This is also same 30 mm chocolate, covers front and back. 33 stickers in a sheet. If you are new to this chocolate crackers, you need to watch all videos step by step. After so many experiments, so many sampling, these products came out. I am trying to give best without compromise. If any doubt, please leave comment on comment section. Like, share, please subscribe. The suitable molds and boxes details will explain in part 2 video. Upload soon. All products with sample images, with prices and exact size, quantity of stickers is clearly mentioned in the catalog. Please contact 950 55 33 191 to get PDF catalog. All the stickers are peel and use, perfect size and attractive colorful designs. I am going to make videos on different types of chocolates. You can easily follow steps to make fast and accurate. I am sharing sample images also. You can advertise easily. Thank you for watching.